the incoming UAAP Season 76 hosts, trying to gun for a tie for second place today here on the Adamson Lady Falcons. Number 9, Faye Guevara. Number 1, Bebs Pineda. Number 14, May Magatuno. Number 5, Mayet Zapanta. Number 15, Marlene Cortel. Their team captain, number 2, Paul Soriano. And their libero, number 11, Princess Listana. The head coach of the Lady Falcons, Sherwin Meneses. And now trying to stay alive for a Final Four berth here are the current hosts, the National University Lady Bulldogs. Number 1, Desiree Dadang. Number 2, Ivy Perez. Number 8, Kai Nepomuceno. Number 9, Aiko Urdas. Team captain, number 16, Bindin Santiago. Number 11, Myla Pablo. Their libero, number 12, Jen Reyes. And the head coach of the Lady Bulldogs, Francis Vicente.
The embattled National University Lady Bulldogs, and I say that because they do not, well, at this point they still have their fate in their hands, but at the same time they're up against very tough opponents starting today with Adamson, a team that they have not beaten this entire season. So, you know, it's a hump that they should overcome. They must overcome if they do plan to make it to the Final Four. Para naman sa Adamson, they want that twice to beat advantage. I mean, that's a luxury in the UAAP and at this kind of level of volleyball play. And that is why a win here today is very important because that puts them very, very close to Ateneo.
Yun nga yung nangyari sa NU, no? So they need this game, but Adamson also equally, no, needing this game for that positioning. And yeah, if Adamson wins this one, almost sure because yung next game nila is just going to be against UP. So,
nothing to take away from UP, pero obviously UP only 2 wins against UE, and chances are malaki ang chance na, you know, Adamson will go all the way.
That's right. So ito namang NU, of course, trying to hold on to your life, trying to get into that Final Four.
And they're not starting off on the proverbial right foot here today with a nice spike on the side of Adamson and poor coverage on the part of NU on the other side.
Well, you can really feel the immaturity of this NU squad. Towards the end, yung mga big games, yung pa yung nahihirapan sila to overcome. But remember, they are a strong team. When you ask me, very strong.
On paper, they are a solid team, but much more solid in their performance right now is Adamson. For more about them, let's check in with Apple David.
In the first round, Adamson won over NU in a 5-set match. However, the Lady Falcons do not want another 5-setter in today's game. After Adamson won against FEU last Sunday, ibang-iba na ang aura ng team pagbalik sa practice. Lahat mas ganado at gustong makuha yung number 2 spot. Lahat sila mas energetic at aggressive, even the second 6. Sabi nga nila, nandito na kami kaya dapat huwag na namin pakawalan to. The Lady Falcons have worked so hard to be where they are now, and they credit that to Coach Sherwin, who consistently reminds them the do's and don'ts in the game. They encourage the players to play their best in every game. Eric, I'll continue with more of my reports later.
Right now, let's check in with this timeout called by Coach Vicente.
Naaasa nyo kayo dyan eh. Gusto nyo kagad pumalo, paano kayo makakapalo? Wala kayo receive. Tapos yung dalawa nagtatago. Nagtuturuan kayo kung sino mag-receive. Pumungat kayo sa receive.
Tara.
Relax lang kasi kayo. Kayo natitensyon eh.
This is the kind of immaturity, Mosey, you were talking about. as you take a look at this fast serve. And it's been a series of fast serves, actually, brought to you by Shakey's Fun Family Pizza that NU has not been able to cover. And this is what you've been talking about.
Exactly.
Inexperience in very pressure-packed situations, they fail to deliver.
You know, it's just receiving the ball. Diba? Napaka-simple. You've been doing this for many years. But it's really the focus and yung heart there. You cannot teach that. So, it is something that they have to learn, and they will learn, especially in big games such as this one. Again, look at them. It's just being so out of focus, so out of the game at this point.
7-0, set number 1. Obviously, it's still very early in this match. It's just set number 1, regardless of how well Adamson performs and how poor NU performs. It will always still middle hitters, but she ranks high up there with the best of them. That's for sure. Take a look at the Adamson fans inside the arena in San Juan. And they have the right to cheer and shout their lungs out because their team is playing splendid volleyball right now. And going back to the point, Mosey, did you expect that Adamson would be challenging for a twice-to-beat advantage? Number 2?
Honestly, you don't count them out in the final
Of course
four.
not. Of course
Pero
not.
yung top 2, parang hindi mo masyadong na...
Especially with the changes,
Correct.
the lineup and everything.
Although you judge that or you say that because when you look at the team physically and yung mga siguro nung first round, pero in the end, it's just the maturity. Ito yung baliktad. Kabaliktad ng what's happening to NU. The maturity and the spunk and yung iba yung heart to play brought them here and they're now vying for the second slot.
Yeah. For a twice-to-beat advantage. Second best team in the league behind LaSalle. That's no easy feat whatsoever.
And especially that Ateneo started with a 6-0
run. Santiago. Perfect coverage by Adamson.
And Zapata using the blockers of NU. Bata pa lang, let's say mga 5-6 years old. Sinasabi, alam mo, gusto na mag-volleyball. Ganun ka-popular yung sport. It is really become one of the favorite sports of many in the Philippines. Hindi nga lang Philippines diba? Over the world. Ang dami sa ating mga nag-tweet,
and
Facebook.
Rightfully so. The excitement generated by this game is comparable already to the kind of excitement you get from basketball. Right? I mean,
I waited for that to happen.
And this is a game very close to your heart, of course, Mosey, because you played the sport as a student athlete.
Dream ng every alumni or alumni ng volleyball. Yung maging ganito siya, yung this big. It deserves it, diba? The sport deserves it.
It truly does. And all of these teams, I mean, bar none, all of them have contributed to what UAAP volleyball is now, whether it's UE, UP,
True, lahat yan.
all of them.
That is so true.
They've contributed to the fan base.
Even the other tournaments, lahat yan contributed.
10-point lead again after NU trimmed down the lead to just 4 or deficit to 4. Tumambak na naman ang Adamson. Let's listen to NU.
Kung ano sasabihin ko sa inyo alam niyo si Dindin, isa sa mga weak receiver. Ikaw yung mga best receiver dyan. Di ba pinapractice kayo ng pagganito? Ikaw lang mag-isa? Hindi ba natin kayang habulin yon para lang mabuhay yung bola? Iaasa natin kay Dindin. Hindi dapat ganon. Ikaw yung libero, hanggat maaari, kunin mo. Kaya tsagaan natin para makahabol tayo. Hindi pa tapos yan. Magpakumpi ka. Ayan ka na naman sa open mo National.
Ranked number 1 best receiver from National University, Jen Reyes, and that's why he's being called out by in a fatherly fashion by Francis Vicente, the head coach, na ikaw ang best receiver. Ipakita mo kasi the team really needs you. Dindin Santiago needs you. Dindin can't do it all. And mahihirapan naman ang the rest of them to get going. You need her confidence to pick up.
And poor reception gives NU another point.
Not the time for misreception from Libero Listana as NU is within 3. Let's check in with Adamson.
Over the outside. Diba? Ilang receiver? O, tatlo. Meet na ka lang. O, receive si Beba, receive si Mayet. Receive diba? Okay. Isang receive lang. Tapos pag-follow natin, cover. Ha? Okay. Dahan sa block. Ano ko eh. Pwede ka naman side mo yung ganyan mo eh. Tama naman sa akin.
If there's a team you should be scared of coming off a timeout, it's Adamson. They're one of the teams that respond and change quickly to instructions, ano? They, patapos ng ilang errors, Coach Meneses calls timeout, pagbalik, 3 straight points.
And especially now, they just need to close out
Exactly.
this set.
So NU has to play perfect, near perfect volleyball at this point.
Good serve.
Listana, back-to-back errors, Mosey.
What a floater. Difficult to receive. Santiago. That was a very long floater from Dindin. Beautiful.
Princess Listana is ranked number 8 in receiving. NU within 2, the closest they've ever been to national, or make that Adamson. And now they are within 1 after trailing by as much as 10.
And it has been the serves of Dindin Santiago making life difficult for Listana. This is the time where her teammates should help her to get this ball. Dapat kanina pa nga eh. Dapat may support na to receive it.
Santiago, another good serve. Oh, this time from Zapanta. She could not handle it. And can you believe it, Mosey? From down 10, NU tied with Adamson, set number 1.
Well, folks, again, this is how much each team needs a win. Need a win in a...
Little retouch during a loss during the game, right?
Oh, look at all the fans. They're all here to support Adamson. Coach Kid.
Well, they've got a game
Ronald.
later.
Ronald
Ulay, that's right. Formerly from UP, ano? Or was Ateneo, pala.
Oh, at like UP.
And UP din.
Tama ka naman.
And they will be seeing action later in another, fight to survive dito sa UU.
Nakikita mo ba yung center back player? Ikaw, nakikita mo ba yung spiker mo? At iniintindi mo kagad yung play mo. Gusto mo ilabas kita? Ang intindi mo muna yung first line of defense. Naintindihan, huwag mo problemahin yung papalo at yung mga papalo mo magaling. Itaas mo na yung bola at sigurado papatok. Naintindihan. Pero, hindi natin pinigilan sa ibabaw ng net. Ano mangyayari sa atin? Score na.
Perez not bringing her A game here today, and she was called out by Coach Francis Vicente na kalimutan nila bantayan si Guevara.
It's really about defense. Hindi niya kasi masyado niyang pinoproblema siguro yung play niya. Well, she came off the bench after that long break. So, and then you can see from her face that she's playing comfortably now. She likes that spotlight is not on her.
This reception on the part of Urdas. 22-16. Asalibad, by the way, is brought back in. Perez really struggling here today at the center position for NU.
And she was taken out after that error on the serve.
Pineda, a very good...
Dito ka na. Doon na si Mayet. Kumba na si Pau. Tatlo yung spiker mo, May. Pagkagadi mo ng si Pau, 5 pwede. C, pwede. Oh, ready, Pau. O, isang receive na lang tayo, ha? Receive tayo. Hindi makakapalo yun pag walang receive. Okay, May, diskarte, takbo. Pag sino walang receive, set sa open ng maayos, cover. Pagbalikan si Pau. Gamitin mo yung dalawa, oh. Dito mo yung nilalagay, lalaki ng tao rito. Magagaling bumulak yung mga nandito. Tingnan nyo kasi yung nasa kabila. Naintindihan. Ikaw naman, Diyos ko Mariosep, hindi ko alam kung ninenervyos ka o ano eh. Okay? Kumuha ka muna ng momentum mo. Okay? Yung dalawa kanina pa nag-iinit, bibigyan mo yung malamig. National, painitin mo muna yan.